You know, career is the biggest desperateness of a boy's life. If you will ask, you have to choose gym and doing worship to God. What I will choose? I will choose gym. But nowadays, I prefer doing worship to God because money is important, and what is that I am asking for to God. Nice to see you after a long time. Sorry, I am talking like this to you. So from last 2 months I was not making English videos, especially I was making my Odia language videos but not English. So pardon me for that, and I don't know why didn't feel good to make English videos. One reason maybe making English video is little harder than Odia video, but I agree nowadays that speaking English became a little easier to me. But anyway, because I haven't practiced English from last 2 months, I feel my English become a little weaker. My fluency, my practice, everything lacked. So you can relate with this. This is winter season, and at morning you have to take bath, and we feel very cold. We do not feel like to take bath at morning. Similarly, I was not feeling like I should bath now. But anyway, I was feeling very cold, and my father gave a long lecture about my career. I left all my cold. Even I was taking bath at that time, my father giving lecture about my career, money, and even I took bath like cold water, like that is what water tank, tap water. So that feel very cold to hand. Even that cold water I took bath, and I didn't feel like cold. So people say whenever you feel cold, you do workouts, exercise, body stretching, you will feel warm. But please try to do this. Whenever you feel like cold, take lecture from your parents, you will feel warm. If you will ask, you have to choose gym and doing worship to God. What I will choose? I will choose gym. But nowadays I prefer doing worship to God because money is important, and what is that I am asking for to God. I asked 6 months or 1 year to my parents to do something on YouTube. I thought that if I will do hard work for 6 months, I can achieve something in YouTube. But that was not true. Even I worked on YouTube for 2 years and at Instagram for 6 months, roughly 2.5 years. I haven't achieved not much. I didn't achieve anything. So I surrendered my hands up in the air and told, my age is increasing day by day. So I told, make a shop, I will sit there. And a bad news for you, that whatever I was posting on my YouTube account, frequency of putting videos maybe decrease, because if I will see it on shop, what I will show to you. I was free, I was doing something like whatever I was excited, I'm excited about, but now I will not get time for doing my exciting things. From morning to night I will sit on shop, so when I will get time to do exciting things. I am against to sit on shop. I never wanted to do job, and shop is little better than job, I guess, but shop is also not favorable to me. But anyway, stomach will not understand, and your stomach will ask for food, your body will ask for security, so you have to earn. Killing your dreams. I don't know when my dreams will fulfill, but yes, I will make videos. Maybe the frequency of videos get down, but I will make videos. I don't know how I will adapt at that time to make videos, because maybe maximum time I will make videos on shop. I don't know. Calling to God, this doesn't mean that I am not working on myself, not doing hard work. Yes, I am doing hard work, but I have been working more than 2.5 years, and I am seeing no results. For that reason, that is the reason I am worshipping to God, and I don't know what I am saying that is good or not. I don't know. I am totally confused right now. But one thing is clear, I am desperate about my career, and I haven't stopped working on myself, doing hard work on me, but I want results. I want to remember you what I have done through last 3 years, 4 years. So at beginning I started how to behave at public, how to behave with people, how to talk. I started with that, and gradually I understand value of money and how to manage money, how to invest, means how money work, inflation, etc., investing, all of that, stocks, everything about money, investing related. Then I started with doing like videos related to behavior, my experience and life experience, what to do, not to do. And after that, gradually I am till now I am doing everything. This doesn't mean that I am not increasing my knowledge now regarding money. Yes, till now I am increasing my knowledge regarding money, and everything I am till now doing. I made videos, kind of blogs, story related. Till now I am doing this video story related, and after that I started to teach drawings to students. Some of children came and everybody left. I don't know why, but while I was teaching students drawing, I felt like my drawing also improved, and simultaneously I thought about teaching spoken English to kids, but no one till now came. In 2 years, no one came. I feel like I speak bad English, but not that bad for teaching a student, newbie, like a kid. So, and after that, now I don't want to speak anymore, but I'm doing everything, but no results are coming. Is coming. I never gave more emphasis to luck in my life, but nowadays I'm feeling like luck is something. I see my friends, they are not pushing themselves as harder as I am pushing to myself, but they are anyway settling in life, they are happy, things are automatically happening right with them, but with me no things are happening right. So somewhere I am feeling like luck is something is true. I am that guy who always forget to record eating videos because I am a guy who loves eating, and this is called monda pita. Like it has coconut and jaggery as a stuffing, and outside it's rice powder dough, and it is steamed in oven like idli, whatever we say. Especially stories we listen, we feel good when it goes good. But in real life, every stories are not good, especially mine. So, few stories are also there which are sad. Sad ending. Sad ending. You like this cycle? This is my father's cycle. So my day started. Let's see how my day is going. So basically I brought these goods from mill, and this is our go down, and my father kept goods ready at mill, so I basically brought those goods into our go down. And after this work, another work is there. We have to pack chili powder in carry bags, and we have to measure that, and after that I will just tie that open end like this I'm showing you. Do you know about mixture factories? Like these goods, this chili, these goods basically go to mixture factories. I don't do labor work, but this is my family business and I don't count it into labor work. And one thing I'm telling you, if you are doing business, then forget about what people would think. Where is camera? Yes, here. What people would think about you. And if you will do this work, this is big work, this is small work, forget about everything. Whatever it takes to do a business, do it. And another thing I'm telling you, like, customer only want two things: best quality, cheapest rate, nothing else. And customer never understand your feelings, your profit, your loss, nothing they will understand about you. They only want their profit. Someone is cooking mutton here and I am vegetarian. I can't bear this smell. Oof. I'm trying to as quickly to escape from here and I'm wasting time by talking with this camera. Now I am here after having my lunch. I was thinking I would see a new movie. Not movie, that is not movie. That is anime, like Dragon Ball. And this is not new, what do we say, anime. This is very old, older than me. And whenever I get demotivated, I always prefer to see Japanese anime, because last year I used to see, like in 2024, at around January, February, March, April, I saw Pokemon all seasons, every episodes, and it took me around four months to complete all, like one to I think 1100 or 1200 episodes, especially related to Ash Ketchum. And when I used to see those episodes of Pokemon, I was very motivated to see Ash. Wow, he has a great energy, positive attitude, he can achieve his dream. And when I see to him, I also relate with him, and I also have that motivation in me that yes, I can also achieve the same vision, like not same vision, but same, like I can also achieve my goal. And because now I already seen that anime, now I was thinking what else I would see. So now I'm thinking I will see Dragon Ball. And from childhood I seen a few, 3 4 5 episodes of Dragon Ball, but not fully. Why reason? Because I never got any time to see it. True thing. So it's time for a little motivation, and let's see what I will do after watching 1 2 episodes, because work is also there. And I know after watching one episode my father will call me my nickname is Gudu. Gudu, come here. We have to work. So now I completed my dinner and I am back at my room. Okay, let me show my room, and honestly my room is not that good. I just mess up things all around. You can judge me. That's big my room is. So now I am thinking about doing a short video. Short video means for YouTube, and I don't know really today I will make video or not, short video or not, because I have like headache, not severe headache, not low headache, medium low, what we say, medium headache. So I don't know I will make short video or not, but if I feel good after half an hour or after 1 hour, then I will do short video. Otherwise today overall I haven't wasted time because I did my father work and I made this video. So today was okay, not that great, not bad, like a normal day. Sorry, life is not that great. I can't show you great things every day. Great things usually happen once in a while. Otherwise, life is boring. And nothing. See you at another video.